Good morning, children. We have learned how to add 4-digit number, 5-digit number, and 6-digit number. I hope you have revised all the concepts. Today, we will start how to subtract 4-digit, 5-digit, and 6-digit numbers. So, let us start subtraction. It is of two kinds. First is without borrowing, second is with borrowing. We have two examples of 4-digit numbers. Before solving it, we come to know about its main concepts, means what is minuends and subtrahend and difference. You already have done these concepts in 3rd class. Let us revise again. The number which is greater is called minuend and the number which is to be subtracted, जिस नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है उसको बोलते हैं subtrahend and the answer we get is called difference. minuend, subtrahend and difference. minuend क्या होता है? जो ग्रेटर नंबर है and जिसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है वो subtrahend है and the answer is called difference. So let us start. We have two 4-digit numbers. First is 8,463. Second is 7,451. So what is the first step? It's the main and important step is to show its places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. First example is of without carrying. So let us start from right side, right to left. First step is to subtract the numbers under ones place. Second step is to subtract the numbers under tens place. And the third step is to subtract the number under hundreds place. And the next is to subtract the numbers under thousands place. Let us start. 3 minus 1, it is equal to 2. Next is 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Next is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And next is 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So it is difference. Answer we get is a difference. It can be read as 1012. 1012. Clear? Next, move to the second example. Second example is of with borrowing. So first step is to show its places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now first step is to subtract numbers under ones place. So ones place के अंदर कौन से नंबर है? 1 and 6. 1 and 6. 1 is smaller than 6. Is it possible to subtract 6 from 1? क्या ये possible है कि 6 को 1 से subtract करो? No, it's not possible. So what will we do? We will borrow 1 10 from 3 tens. तो 3 tens में से 1 10 हमने borrow कर लेना है. तो यहाँ इसको क्रॉस करके लिखेंगे 2 and 1 borrow here. It becomes 11. तो क्या बन गया ये 11. 11 minus 6. Yes, it's possible. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Now 2 minus 4. Is it possible to subtract 4 from 2? No, it's not possible. So what will we do now? We will borrow 100 from 0. It's 10 and we will borrow 100. It becomes 900. We will borrow 100 and 100 is equal to 10 tens. So 10 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 12 tens. Clear? 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Next we have 9 and 1 under hundreds place. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 and Next is under thousands place. We have two numbers 8 and 5. So subtract both these numbers. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Clear? So we can write it as 3885. It is our answer. It is called difference. This term is called minuend. This term is called subtrahend. And the last is difference. Clear? Next is we have exercise 3.3. Solve the following sums. First is subtract. We have some sums of subtraction. Let us start part A. We have two 4-digit numbers. So first number is called minuend, second is subtrahend, and the answer will be called its difference. So first step is to show its places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. What is the first step? First step is to subtract both the numbers under ones place. We have two numbers, 2 and 1. So it is possible to subtract 1 from 2. ये possible है कि 1 को 2 में से माइनस करना. So we will get 1. 2 में से 1 माइनस किया 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 again. Clear? These also have same steps. Difference is that previous sums belong to addition and these sums belong to subtraction. First step is same. To subtract both the numbers at ones place. To subtract two numbers at tens place. To subtract two numbers at hundreds place. And to subtract two numbers at thousands place. Clear? Next is D part. First step is, to show its places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So firstly we will check, is it possible to subtract both these numbers? No. Let us see. 5 minus 6. फर्स्ट नंबर से ही आपने सेकेंड नंबर माइनस करना है. ऐसा नहीं करना कि नीचे वाले ग्रेटर नंबर को देखना है और उसमें से आप ऊपर वाला नंबर माइनस करोगे. दैट इज रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट. सो फर्स्ट में से ही सेकंड को माइनस करना है. अगर पॉसिबल है तो करोगे, अदरवाइज यू बोरो फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट प्लेस. सो 5 and 6. 5 is smaller number, 6 is greater number. So it is not possible to subtract 6 from 5. 5 smaller number है, 6 greater number है. इसलिए ये possible ही नहीं है कि 6 को हम 5 में से माइनस करें. So what will be the next step? It is a sum of borrowing. तो next step क्या हुआ? borrow करना. कहाँ से borrow करेंगे? 10 से. 10 से borrow करेंगे. 10 से borrow करेंगे. It is 3 tens. Means when we borrow 1 10 from 3 tens, it becomes 2 tens. हमने 3 tens से 1 10 borrow कर लिया इधर और यहाँ बन गया 2 tens. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So 10 plus 5, it becomes 15. So it is possible now subtract 6 from 15. Okay? 6 को 15 में से subtract करो. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Now next, move to the next point. 2 minus 4, it is not possible. So we will borrow again. We will borrow 1 from hundreds place. It becomes 0 and यहाँ 100 borrow करेंगे तो कितने tens होते हैं 100 में? 10 tens. So 10 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 12 tens. 12 minus 4 is possible. It is equal to 8. Next we have 0 100. So is it possible to subtract 7 from 0? No, it is not possible. So we will borrow 1000 from 6000. 6000 से 1000 borrow किया इधर तो ये क्या बन गया 5000. लेकिन 1000 में कितने 100 होते हैं? हाउ मेनी हंड्रेड्स आर इन 1000? 1000 में कितने 100 होते हैं? 10 100. सो 10 plus 0 10. 10 100. So now we can subtract 7 from 10. अब 7 को 10 से subtract किया जा सकता है, तो it is equal to 10 minus 7 3. Next we have 5000. 5000 minus 2000 is equal to 3. It can be read as 3389. 3389. Next is we have two 5-digit numbers. 1 2 3 4 5. First step is to show its places. 1000 10,000. Now let us see what to do. First step is to show its places. Then next step is subtract two numbers under ones place. Next subtract two numbers at tens place. Then at hundreds place. Then at thousands place. Then at 10,000s place. So a 9 is greater than 8. It is possible to subtract. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 1 minus 0 means 110 में से 0 10 माइनस करना है तो 110. नेक्स्ट 200 में से 100 माइनस करना है मीन्स 2 minus 1 1. 3000 में से 1000 माइनस करोगे या 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. नेक्स्ट 6 10,000 means 60,000 and 2 10,000 means 20,000. 60,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 40,000. But we have 6 and 2 numbers. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. It can be read as 42,111. 42,111. Next is we have two numbers of 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have two numbers of 6 digit. First step is to show its places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Now first step is to subtract numbers under ones place. So 2 minus 3. 2 में से 3 minus हो सकता है? No, because 2 is smaller number, 3 is greater number. So what will we do? We will borrow 1 from tens place. So ये 1 का बन जाएगा 0. तो यहाँ 110 आ गया प्लस 110 means 10 ones is equal to 10 plus 2 12. ये बन गया 12. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Next we have 0 and 0. We have two zeros under tens place means 0 10 and 0 10. We will subtract both these numbers because ये सेम है तो हम माइनस कर सकते हैं. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next is 5 and 6. We can't subtract 6 from 5. 6 में से 5 माइनस नहीं कर सकते तो क्या करेंगे? Borrow from यहाँ से from 10. It is 0 means we will borrow from 8. It is 10. 10 में से 1 borrow किया तो यहाँ बचा 9. तो यहाँ 1 इसके साथ अटैच हुआ 5 के साथ. What is it? We borrow 1,000 from 10,000. It became 9,000 and 1,000 is equal to 10,100. 10,100 plus 500 is equal to 1,500. So 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Next 9 and 9 both are same numbers. So we can subtract both these numbers. It is equal to 0. Next we have 0. Then we will subtract. Is it possible to subtract 7 from 0? No, it is not possible. So what will we do? We will subtract 7 from 0 by borrowing 1 lakh from 8 lakh. 8 lakh में से हम 1 lakh borrow कर लेंगे. यहाँ बन गया 7 lakh और यहाँ 10. 10 में से भी ये यहाँ से ये ले लिया था तो ये 9 बच गया था. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Then 7 माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 1 मीन्स 6 लाख को 7 लाख से माइनस करना है. ग्रेटर नंबर इज 7 lakh, smaller is 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. But it is under lakhs place. So, is 7 lakh minus 6 lakh is equal to 1 lakh. So, it can be read as 1,20,909. Solve part B, E, H and N as a classwork. Now, we have one word problem. Let us read. A factory produces 2,38,164 bulbs in 1 year. एक फैक्ट्री 1 ईयर में 2,38,164 बल्ब्स बनाती है एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर प्रोडक्शन डिक्रीजेस बाय. तो नेक्स्ट ईयर जो प्रोडक्शन है वो कम हो जाती है, डिक्रीज हो जाती है बाय 46,136. हाउ मैनी बल्ब्स वर प्रोड्यूस इन द सेकेंड ईयर. तो सेकेंड ईयर उन्होंने कितने बल्ब प्रोड्यूस किए. फर्स्ट ईयर में 2,38,164 थे, तो सेकेंड में कितने कम हो गए वो हमने कैलकुलेट करनी है. सेकेंड ईयर में कम हुए 46,136. तो कैलकुलेट क्या करना है कि सेकेंड ईयर में कितनी प्रोडक्शन हुई थी. इट्स ईयर कितनी प्रोडक्शन हुई थी. लेट अस स्टार्ट. नंबर ऑफ बल्ब्स प्रोड्यूस्ड इन 1 ईयर. तो 1 ईयर में कितने बल्ब्स प्रोड्यूस हुए 2,38,164. प्रोडक्शन डिक्रीजेज इन नेक्स्ट ईयर बाय. प्रोडक्शन कितनी डिक्रीज हुई 46,136. सो we will subtract both these numbers. It is a sum of subtraction. Place its places 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So first step is subtract 6 from 4. 4 is smaller number, 6 is greater number. क्या possible है 4 में से 6 को minus करना? No. So what will we do? We will borrow 1 10 from 6 tens. It becomes 5 tens and it becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Next is 5. 5 is a greater number, 3 is a smaller number. So we can subtract both these numbers. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next is 100 and 100. Means we have to subtract 100 from 100. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next 8,000 and 6,000. 8 is a greater number, 6 is a smaller number. So we can subtract both these numbers. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next is 3 10,000 means 30,000. 4 10,000 means 40,000. 3 is a smaller number, 4 is a greater number. So is it possible to subtract 4 from 3? No, it is not possible. So what will we do? We will borrow 1 lakh from 2. यहाँ बचा 1 और यहाँ बन गया 13. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. So we have 1 lakh and 0 lakh. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So 1,92,028 bulbs were produced in the second year. सेकेंड ईयर में कितने बल्ब्स प्रोड्यूस हुए 1,92,028. So try to solve its remaining parts and then note it down in your notebook. Thank you.